Hello, welcome to my channel Out and About with Martin. Today we're at Wetton in the Peak District and we're going to take a short walk to Thor's Cave. The car park at Wetton is on Car Lane. It is a free car park but it can get very busy, so I advise you to get here early on a morning when it's very nice weather. The what three words location is
Episode tilts busy.
And for those using a sat nav, the postcode is
DE6 2AF. Car park is on Car Lane at Wetton.
So as you leave the car park there's a sign pointing to your right for Thor's Cave. Just a few metres from the car park we turn right again. Just a couple of minutes walk up that lane, we come to another junction, turn left. Again, it is signposted Thor's Cave. Immediately after turning left, you'll see a path down to your left here. It's a concession path. We follow this path. As you walk down the path, you'll come to this gate. Just go through the stile and then we turn left. Thor's Cave is approximately halfway up that cliff face, just around the corner. You can go to the top, over the top of Thor's Cave, get amazing views of Staffordshire. As you come up to this gate, take the left path, that will take you on top of Thor's Cave, some fantastic views. Taking the path down to the right will take you down to Thor's Cave. As we turn this corner, we see the steps leading up to Thor's Cave.
Below Thor's Cave you will see Manifold Way. That is the subject of one of my other videos, Cycling the Manifold Way. Thor's Cave can be accessed from the Manifold Way.
Back here at Wetton, just a short 20-minute walk to Thor's Cave. It's only 10:30 on a Sunday morning. As you can see, the car park is already full, so you do need to get here early in the morning. The car park is free and toilets are provided. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, remember, if you haven't already done so, subscribe to my channel, Out and About with Martin. Until next time, bye!